What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-Minute Garden Tip, I'm going to share with you the most important tip that I could ever give you, and it's something that I'm guilty of myself and have to work on. And that tip is this: whether you celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, another holiday, or you don't celebrate the holidays at all, use this time of year to give yourself a break. Sit back, relax, spend some time with your family, spend some time by yourself, and really give yourself a chance to mentally and physically reset for the new year. Now look, I know how easy it is to scoff at that advice I just gave you, but consider this. I work a full-time job. I manage this YouTube channel, my main YouTube channel, The Millennial Gardener. I take care of my whole garden. I have my hands in many other little side endeavors as well. And every single week I work 80 to 100 hours, week in, week out, 365 days a year. So I know exactly how hard it can be to maintain this type of schedule, and I know what it's like to feel burnt out. And I know so many of you are working just as hard. Maybe you're working 1 or 2 jobs. Maybe you're taking care of family members. Maybe you have your own side hustles and side gigs consuming huge amounts of time. So I just want to relate to you all and tell you that I know what it's like to really be working yourself to the bone, because many of you work so very hard. But whether you celebrate the holidays or not, one of the best things about this time of year is that everything does slow down. A lot of people are on vacation, and let's face it, the weather usually isn't very good. So it's the perfect time to stop, sit down, relax, and collect our thoughts. Now, I know some of you don't have that luxury, and many of you do work during the holidays, and maybe even some of you choose to work during the holidays because you get paid overtime. But whether you're working throughout the holidays or not, try to do something for yourself. Give yourself a little bit of a break. Take a mental and physical rest. Whether that's going out to dinner, spending time with family, or just spending time alone, whatever it is, give yourself that little vacation that you work so hard for. And before the naysayers say that you don't have time to take time for yourself, every single study always shows that actually taking time for yourselves recharges our batteries, and we come back even more productive upon our return. So take some time for yourself this holiday season, because I know that you've earned it. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, and I hope to see all of you back here in the new year. And that's today's 2-Minute Garden Tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.